Welcome everyone, Ed here with the Great Indoors with Michelle in the kitchen. Of all places, we all know how you like to eat and you feed us really well here. What are you making?
I am making a Mexican chicken casserole sent in by a subscriber, Cheryl S. And what consists of...
What do you got in there?
It's a crock pot recipe. And it's any kind of chicken, some onions.
But that's chicken breast, right?
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Onions.
Okay.
Gotta add those.
That's a lot of onions.
It's called for one medium onion.
Okay.
Okay. You just spread that all around.
Okay.
Okay. Get some cream of chicken soup.
Yes.
Any kind of cream.
And you probably bought that for how much at the dollar store, maybe?
No, I got this at Walmart for 40 cents.
Oh, wow. That's even cheaper than I thought.
Okay? But you could use Campbell's, whatever.
Okay.
Okay? All you do, you don't dilute it.
You just put it over the top of it?
You got it.
Okay.
Okay. You don't add milk or water. You just spread it on top of your chicken and onion mixture. Okay. How
did you learn how to cook, Michelle? Was it your mom that taught you, or did you learn?
I learned it from my parents.
Yeah.
And home ec teachers over the years.
Uh-huh.
But I'm always looking for new recipes to make.
Yeah.
And my grandparents were a big influence too.
Well, I could vouch for it. You always do a really good job. Whenever we aren't eating out, Michelle's doing a lot of the cooking here, and she always does a really good job.
Okay, that's how you do it.
Okay.
You spread that. Then this Rotello.
Rotello? What's that?
Rotel. It's diced onions and chilies.
Okay.
And you just add 1 can of this.
Watch your fingers. Don't cut yourself there. Okay.
And
is it all right to put the fluid in there too? All of it?
All of it in here.
Looks like salsa.
Okay.
That looks good though. I like salsa.
I know you do.
Yeah.
That's why Cheryl S. Sent in this recipe to us to try.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And you put this in here in the crock pot. You just make sure everything's around it. No diluting of nothing like that. You add all the juices. Okay. And you cover it. Okay.
You got to plug it in too.
Well, I will.
Okay.
Okay.
But people are probably wondering, how come it's not plugged in, Michelle?
Well, because it's going to be plugged in for 8 hours.
Yeah, 8 hours. Oh.
Okay.
So we're not going to do that. Well, this is for tomorrow's dinner, right?
Correct. But this is a pre-cooking thing.
Okay.
Okay. And you cook it for 8 hours. After like 7.5 hours.
Should you keep it in the fridge? Or?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I'm going to do that.
All right.
Okay.
You got room in there for that?
Yes, on my top shelf.
See our our refrigerator. Okay. Yeah, we had pizza yesterday for the Browns game.
Okay.
Okay.
You put that
All right, close
there.
that. People want to see that.
Okay, for 7, it's supposed to cook from 6 to 8 hours.
Yeah.
But 8 hours, it's perfect. I'm low.
All right, we'll bring it back when the food is ready, okay? So the magic of television, you'll be able to see. Next time you see us, we'll probably be wearing different clothes, and we'll be getting ready to eat. So just hang right in there. Okay, we are back with Michelle. You just got this has been cooking
since 6:15 this morning for 6 hours.
Okay.
But you cook it 6 to 8 hours.
And you had it on the low setting during that period.
And then at the last 20 minutes, you add cut up cheese.
Well, show us what you got there.
Cut up cheese.
So how do we eat this? Do you want to put it on the plate for me so I know what I'm getting myself into? Okay.
Is that cheese enough melted? Okay.
You're the cook, Michelle. I'm totally in your hands for this.
Okay.
Okay. What else did you do as a? Is this going to be? Are we eating that all by itself or what?
We're having spaghetti.
Oh, you didn't say that earlier. Okay.
We're putting spaghetti, and then you put the mixture of the chicken mixture.
Is that one box of spaghetti there?
Yes.
Or what? Okay. So you're gonna what? Put that on the plate over there?
Right.
Okay. That's enough. That's enough. Okay. And then what? You got a spoon or something like that? Okay.
Yep.
Ooh, that's a good piece. It's got the salsa, that tomato in there, and the onions, and that rotolo or whatever.
Rotella. And there you go.
Set it down over there. Okay. Okay, we got a lot going on here, and it all looks good. So I'm going to start right away with the chicken. Wow, I can tell you right away, it comes apart real easy. And you can tell that it's done properly. Look at that. You got a good picture. All right, you ready for the taste test, Michelle?
Yes, I am.
Okay, here we go. Wow. Very good. And then I'm going to try some of the spaghetti. Well, you see the cheese in there and everything? Ooh, yeah, look at that cheesy thing going on there. All right.
And that is cut up cheese.
Like American cheese, or what is that?
Whatever, cheddar cheese.
Okay. Any kind of cheese would work with it, right?
Yes, and you cut it up into cubes, and then you put it on high for 20 minutes at the end.
Very good. You nailed it, Michelle. Now, you get in there and help yourself so that you can join in on the fun. Good meal from Michelle over here. If you guys have any comments or questions about how she went about making this fantastic feast, hit us up on the Facebook page, The Great Indoors with Ed and Michelle, and we can always send you a copy of the recipe. But I am going to put how much it costs to make this meal on here, plus the ingredients. So check it out, all right? How do you know something is really good? When you're done eating and there's some leftovers, you don't want to throw it out. So what I did is I took the pasta that was left over and the leftover sauce over here. Just pour it all in there. There you go. Now you got a meal meant for, there's no chicken in there, but still, you know, after eating this concoction that Michelle came up with from her friend Cheryl S. is pretty awesome. Why waste good food? Because Riley, my dog, will definitely want to eat that, but you know what? This food is too good for a dog to be eating, all right? This is no dog food leftovers for her, all right? Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great indoors day. Bye.